Hello everyone, welcome to A Foreigner Farming in the Philippines. Well, he wants to come see what Daddy's doing. Those some pretty fancy boots you got on there, little dude. What's up? What you thinking, Charlie? Here, Daddy will come up here. How's that? Here, I'll come up here where you are. Well, now you're trying to push me.
I know he wants to go there.
Yeah, he wants to go down to this fish pond. Come on, we'll come over here.
You step him already.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to step on your foot there, little dude.
2 times already.
Anyway, so back to the video. I've got Charlie, dude. Now, well, you watch him, Mommy, because I'm going to be talking and not paying good attention. Oi, what are you doing, huh? Yeah, he wants to help. Well, hey, where are you going? You better hurry up, Mommy. Ippy and Rainiel and her grandson, I forget this. What's your name? Renji. You know, this little guy, about 3 years ago, he was a much smaller little fella. Over there, where we've got the solar batteries and the controller and the inverter and all that, it's a little building there. And Ippy and Barone were working here, and I think Ippy had gone home and Barone was here, and Barone had sent him home, and came a really sudden big thunderstorm, and I'm out doing something. I don't remember what I was doing, but I heard this little kid crying. You know, what is that? And I go and out and I look and try and listen, and he's stranded in that little room there, and it's pouring down rain, pouring down, and he's just crying. He's scared. It was thunder and lightning and heavy rain. And anyway, and I didn't think there was anybody around. I didn't know what was going on. So I brought the little dude up to the house and made him some hot chocolate because he was soaking wet, cold. And I made him some hot chocolate, and then we found out who he was and where he was supposed to be going. What are you doing, dude? You better hurry, Mommy. Anyway, we've got the fertilizer out here. Ippy and I forget his name already again. Are going around. They're going to fertilize the Limoncito trees again. They need some love after the typhoon. They have, for the most part, recovered, but they need fertilizing. So we're going to fertilize all the Limoncito trees, all these trees in through here. We're standing up and straightening these trees that had been pushed over. Oh, Lumpinig! Uh-oh! What are you doing, Ippy? Lumpinig? Aye. Where are they at? Lumpinig are little tiny yellow jackets, little tiny wasps, and they don't like being messed with, just like wasps. And we need to straighten this little tree up, and there's obviously a nest in there somewhere, and Ippy got it. The good thing is that their sting is they're about the fourth the size of a yellow jacket, and the good thing is their sting is about 1/4 as painful. don't see them. I don't see them flying around. Well, I'm going to let her do that inspection. I'm going to go back over here. So anyway, we've made our way down into this part of the orchard. That part up there is slick and clean now and all fixed up. And we're not going to get to this. We're not going to get much to this because today is definitely the last day for Ippy and Rainiel. They're going to work for Gina tomorrow. But hopefully, at least they can get these trees fertilized, get them stood up. Did they fertilize these trees up here yet?
Yeah, they are done.
They're done? Yeah, the style here is just to dig a small little hole about half the size of your fist and just put the fertilizer in it and then cover it up. What?
It's like a tell us different from tell us, but that is really itchy also and really painful.
What is it, a worm?
Yeah. Sakit kayo no?
Is it lampinig or
It's
the...
not. It's like a tell us. But it's color like white color or green, I think. Kwa ate, kwa.
So is her leg going to be all swollen and itchy and like my neck was?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's like your skin will burn. It's like you feel like burning. Your skin is burning.
The Philippines is getting more like Australia every day. There's all kinds of stuff around here that can kill you. Make you itchy, sting you, bite you. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Let me see, Ippy. So what do you call it? That can kill a carabao?
Yeah, they can eat that. They will eat for accident.
If they eat it, it'll kill it. It'll kill a carabao. What do you call that?
We could have tell us, but I don't know. Tatay has different name of that. I can't remember.
Ask him. Ty! Where's Tatay? Let me see your leg, Ippy.
Forma jud ni dya.
It's nothing yet, but
That is very
very bad.
Binhog la pinig.
Tilas ka po nino. Pero green ang color. Yeah, it's like also a tell us the day because there's a different.
It's just a different name for it.
Yeah, and it's hard to see that because the color is like the color of the leaf.
Yeah, they're well camouflaged. Well, dang it.
Nai tay ba tilas niya tay o ano ni? Nai ko to makapatay baka tay. Ha?
What do you call that, Tatay?
The same tell us.
Same.
Ano na eh?
Naunsa sa tell na tay pa binyag lampinig.
Katol kayo na eh?
Tatay said it's very itchy.
Is it so? It's worse than the lampinig?
Yeah.
I mean the
The other one.
yeah, the one that got me. It's the same.
Pero murag papasok na siya kay no.
So I guess those little hairs on it get into your skin. They're probably poison tipped, and they get into your skin and just ruin your whole day. But that little worm could kill a carabao if it eats
Yeah.
it.
This one.
There must be a lot of toxin in it. Well, kill it, Tatay. We don't need such as that around here.
Buried this.
You're gonna bury it? Ah, okay.
It is like at if it's like someone bite here.
Poor Ippy.
Ano rin?
Mas mo sili pe. Ay, mo tinay sa ano.
Mas nusig wate.
Dala pe. Pe.
Masamot og ka.
Rub chili on it?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Is
Dahon
it?
rati oy.
Is it?
Ako na pe.
Dahon ayo dito natin sa
Yeah, Tatay. That's just gonna burn more. Oh my God, Tatay.
kanang dahon, the leaves only. Supposed to be the the leaves with salt.
The leaves with salt you rub on the
Yeah,
wound.
yeah. Tatay will give. Babay, tatay, babay.
Very bad, tatay.
Ay, dagang dahon ti oh. Dayuag daganan.
Yeah, Rainiel, bring it up, but if it don't force it, don't break the roots in case they've started growing. Explain, love. I don't want him to bring it all the way if it's going
Hinaya
to
lang
break the
dong
roots.
kung nanggamot na dong, hinaya agamaya lag tuko dong.
Even if it's only 50%, that's enough.
Happened to that buong mundo di ay pomelo.
It lived through a typhoon. That's what happened to it.
Ay, yeah.
That's what I was telling you about a couple weeks ago. I wanted them to do this. I've been meaning to do it since the typhoon, but
Yes. Ay! Bite me.
why you bite mommy? Why are you biting mommy, huh?
Because I told him if he will jump on the water, there's a big snake there like anaconda, right?
Yeah.
The snake will eat him. Te, ang gamot eh, wala na ansa? Ah. Kasi mabali nung nagkamot eh. Tama na na, ingana na.
Yeah, I think that's enough for today, and then like in 1 month I'll stand it up the rest of the way.
Butang kamay tukod sa ilalim dong.
That's pomelo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I-support basig.
So have them look around and see if there's any more back in there that need standing up.
Pinakaubos pa. Tama na. Kaubos na dong imong kuwan dong tukod dong.
And love, love, see if they can move this stuff up here to burn it, this coconut wood. If it's too heavy for them, have them bring Nerio and Ablet down. All this area here needs to be cleaned.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
Supposed to buy this one, they cut this.
Well, I did ask him. There was one going this way. I asked him to cut, and he did cut. Well, I thought he did cut that long one there, but maybe he didn't.
He did not. Look. If it's cut. I think it's cut dali. Look, oh, nan.
Yeah, it's cut. It's
Yeah.
just close together.
Yeah.
I asked him to cut it into 3 pieces. So-
Aray, you step me also.
Oh, sorry. Your little foot was sticking out there? Oh, sorry, lady.
This side needs to be clean.
So we're going to have some serious fires going here, I don't know, probably in a couple weeks.
Yeah, but this
Like
one
a
is
week
dry
after it
coconut.
stops raining, whenever that's going to be. So where are we going to put the fence, love? We've got all this bamboo here now. Get out of there.
Paprika. The fence will be from there. Look. From there.
From there.
Yeah.
You mean at the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
And down there.
And down here.
Yeah. Straight. Go
Alright,
there.
alright.
Down there. Like that only. Aray ko. Aray. Because dogs cannot come here anymore.
So, you know, this, I don't know what happened to this little row of limoncitos. They all died for some reason. I don't know why. But I would like to put those, what are they, Landan to Landan, whatever the oranges that,
Dalandan.
huh?
Dalandan.
Yeah, the ones that are, they're oranges but they're green
Yeah.
when they're ripe. I like to
Dadi,
put,
place lang daw, Dadi.
huh?
Your dogs, place lang daw, place.
Come on.
I don't want to, you know. They're fighting now. They're fighting in the middle of my garden.
Anyway, I'd like to put those orange trees
What are you doing?
in that little row right there. All these, well, there was one right here that didn't make it, because these are all set on a grid here. So we've got one little spot here that needs an additional tree, and it looks like there was 3 or 4 here. Well, you know, and this is actually pretty close. I mean, these, I don't know if I'd plant another row in here or not, but for the most part, these trees survived. Love, that's one of those orange trees there, right? What are you doing, dude? Are you following Daddy around? Huh? Oi, how you doing, buddy? Careful. Hey, 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 hey. Careful. Here, you can't go too far in there, dude. Come on. It has a thorn. You can't come here. Come on. Little dude. Little dude. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, what happened?
This too.
He's gonna go walking through your garden. You think the dogs are destructive? Wait till that little dude makes a path through there. Charlie, oh my God. Get him, he's just looking for another way to get down.
Oh, he just wants to sit down, look.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's just because you came over there. He's gonna sit down and do his there's nothing to see here, folks routine.
What are you doing? Resting.
So I'm tired. I'm tired, Mommy. Oh, Charlie. Charlie boy. So the fertilization will continue. Hopefully they can get the most of these in through here. Alright, well the crew's finishing up down here. Rainiel is fertilizing these melons. Somehow, I don't know if it was the scrap metal guy or what, but somebody has taken every single one of the handles for these gates of all the things for somebody to steal. So now I can't keep these gates shut to keep the dogs out. Anyway, these are all weeded out now, soon to be fertilized, and we're going to plant some tomatoes. It didn't have, I was doing this one and got sidetracked. Didn't finish up getting the weeds out of this one. It's mostly weeds. There's just a few onions in there. I don't know why the onions are having such a hard time making it. But there's quite a few more onions left in this one. Nothing like what I planted, but they're growing. There are a few in there, so I'm going to get in there and finish that up. Get out of there, Twinkie. And I don't know, I'm going to have Tatai make some more handles for these. And maybe they won't get stolen this time. I don't know. I don't know if it was the scrap metal guy or if this Tatai doesn't know anything about it. So it had to have been either the scrap metal guy, Nerio, or Ablet. Probably the scrap metal guy, but I don't know. Who knows? I guess we can just use sticks. I'm going to fertilize this corn one more time. The melons in here are pretty much a lost cause. I mean, they're blooming, but no melons yet. And I'm going to plant the tomatoes. I'm going to slice the potatoes today and get them to hardening. And I'm going to put the potatoes in here. And we're going to put tomatoes in this one. We'll get on those directly. Thank you, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.